Hi, this is Steve, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can make £250 guaranteed, but I'm afraid this is only for you if you're in the United Kingdom. If you're anywhere else in the world, I'm afraid this won't work for you. So it's a guaranteed way to make £250, and you'll make much more than that if you just follow along with the system here. And this is a website called Outplayed, where you are carrying out systemized matched betting to beat the bookies at their own game. Now, it's important you understand that this is not gambling, and you absolutely cannot lose money here if you follow the system. So there's a free trial here, and if you take the free trial, which you can do by clicking the link in the description below, you're guaranteed to make at least £40 just by following the system there. And then you can decide whether you want to get a paid account and go on to earn at least £250, and you can earn much more than that, of course, by following the system. Now, when you click the link in the description below, it will take you to the website here that you can see on the screen, where they explain the matched betting £250 at least guarantee, and you can start the free trial and watch the little video they've got on the site here. Now, this is a very legitimate business. It's been in the Guardian newspaper, the Telegraph, the Daily Mail, and many other places as well. You just sign up for free, follow the instructions, and then decide later whether you want to upgrade to a full membership. There's over 1,500 reviews on Trustpilot for this. It's 5 stars, 4.8 star out of 2,110 reviews. So it's a very legitimate system, and I can guarantee from my own personal experience to let you know that this absolutely works. My own son did this a couple of years ago, made many thousands of pounds with this system just following along with it. Unfortunately, it's only one per household that can do this. So my son did that, but he made himself a nice bit of money that helped pay for his further education. Lots of testimonials on the website here. If you click through here, you'll be able to read all of the information for yourself. It'll explain exactly how everything works. And then, as I say, once you've got started with a free account, you can make up to £40, as you can see here, learn the basics and follow along what you've got to do. And from that, just put a little bit of effort in and you'll understand why you'll want to upgrade to a platinum or diamond membership. So, for example, if you went to this platinum membership, it's £29.99 a month, or £250 for a year, where you're already guaranteed anyway to make at least £250. So this is obviously the most popular option. People go for that £250 per year option if you've got that, because you're guaranteed to make at least £250, or they'll pay you the difference. You just simply follow along with the system. So the link is in the description below this video. As I say, it's only for the UK, I'm afraid, but it is the only way I know where you're absolutely guaranteed that you will make money, even with a free account here. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, I'd appreciate it if you'll give it a like, a thumbs up, and share, and I'll catch you in the next video. The link's down in the description below. Thanks very much for watching.